In a quiet little neighborhood lived George and Martha and occasionally their bad decisions.
Today I bake a cake. What could possibly go dramatically wrong?
Oh, George, be careful.
Nonsense. It'll be perfect. Whoa, that's a lot of flour.
Grandpa, it's exploding.
George, the recipe is not supposed to be a guessing game.
But Martha, a little improvisation never hurt anyone.
George, it says right here, 1 teaspoon.
All right, you win.
George, I need all these for the cake.
Why are there 12 spoons? This cake only needs one personality.
Oh, George, you and your puns.
George, why is there flour on the refrigerator and the dog?
What? Oh dear.
Look, right there.
Well, I might have gotten a little carried away.
A little? George?
That egg sacrificed itself for a greater confusion.
Oh, George, what do you mean?
A culinary experiment gone awry, my dear.
Let's clean this up.
Good idea. I'll help. I am not sure what this mixture is, but it looks confident.
Confident is good. Keep stirring, dear.
It smells adventurous. What do you think?
I think it's going to be delicious.
George, the mixer is fighting back.
Whoa, easy there, partner.
It's making a mess.
All right, truce declared. Mixer off.
My hero.
Always, my dear. I do not remember the recipe mentioning face decoration.
Oh, George, let me get that for you.
Thanks, dear.
All right, back to the recipe now. That smells wonderful, dear.
Just for you, my love.
Let me help you stir.
Perfect. I love baking with you. Everything is under control, in a very loose sense of control.
Oh, George, that's what I'm afraid of.
Trust me, dear.
Always.
Silence from the oven usually means something is plotting.
Oh, George, plotting really?
Yes, my dear, we must be vigilant.
You're impossible. That sound did not come from anything safe.
What was that?
I don't know, but we should be careful.
All right, stay close. Please, just resemble cake. I am begging you.
I am pretty sure the cake tried to escape the oven.
Escape? What makes you say that?
Look at all that batter running over the edge.
You're right. It's making a break for it.
Oh, George, what happened?
This cake betrayed my trust and my ingredients.
Betrayed? Oh, George.
It did. Look at it. Do not panic. I saw someone do this once on television. Badly.
Badly?
Don't worry. I've got this.
George, the icing is heavier than the cake.
You might be right, dear. But it's all part of the charm.
A delicious charm, George.
I added extra icing for emotional support. Emotional support?
Oh, George,
Everyone needs a little extra sometimes.
you're absolutely right. It looks wonderful.
If I add enough sprinkles, people will assume this was intentional.
Oh, George, it's certainly unique.
See, works every time.
You're a genius, dear. George, why does the cake say for Mothra, and why is there a pickle on top?
For Mothra? Oh, I must have misheard you.
And the pickle?
A little extra crunch. It may not be edible, but it is unforgettable.
Oh, George, you're too much.
I try.
It's perfect. I think the cake is still warm emotionally.
It's delicious. Your baking is magical.
Thank you, dear. Sharing it makes it special.
It does. I can feel the cake judging me, and it is correct,
Oh, George, you're terrible.
but so deliciously correct.
You're impossible.
I love you very much, but this cake feels personally dangerous.
Oh, come now, Martha. A little indulgence won't hurt.
That's what you said last time. I'm not falling for it. That was a close one, dear.
Next time, we buy the cake and possibly a fire extinguisher.
Oh, George.
What? I'm serious.